Today, I'll show you how to create a clean and stylish pulsing text animation, perfect for drawing attention to key titles or calls to action. Let's get started. First, open your Canva project and add a text box. Type the text you want to animate. This could be a title, a name, or any message you want to highlight. Now, click on the text, then head to the Animate button in the top toolbar. From the list of text animations, scroll until you find Pulse and select it. This adds a subtle pulsing motion to your text, making it look dynamic and alive. Here's where the magic happens. Adjust the intensity slider to control how strong the pulsing effect is. Want it subtle? Keep it low. Want more bounce and impact? Slide it to the right. Once you're happy with the look, preview your animation and make any adjustments on the timeline as needed. And that's how you create a pulsing text animation in Canva. It's a simple effect that makes a big difference. If you like this tutorial, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Canva video editing tips.